Hello everyone, this is English Tutor Hub official channel and welcome back to our English lesson where learning English feels like art. And today we shall be looking at how to use the verb to have in English. Let's dive in. How to use the verb to have in English? Have can be a main verb or an auxiliary verb that is used to indicate the tense or appearance of another verb. Have as a main verb. To have is used as the main verb to indicate possession, a characteristic, relationships. I have 20 euros in my pocket. I have 20 euros in my pocket. She has a lot of free time these days. She has a lot of free time these days. Number 1, in the simple present. In the simple present. Pronouns, affirmative sentence, negative sentence, questions, a, do, or does. So we have here the pronouns I, we, you, they. Affirmative sentence, I have a new car. Negative sentence, we have to add do after the subject and followed by not or an apostrophe T to make it a negative sentence. I don't have a new car. And in questions, do comes first before the subject. Do I have a new car? Do I have a new car? For singular, he, she, it. She has a new car. She has a new car. Negative sentence. She doesn't have a new car. She doesn't have a new car. Question, does she have a new car? Does she have a new car? The contracted form. The contracted form. I have becomes I've. So we replace apostrophe to the letters that we have omitted or delete. You have becomes you'd. You have you'd. He / she / it has becomes his, she's, its. We have becomes we've. You have you've. They have they've. The negative contraction has not becomes hasn't. Have not becomes haven't. Have got or have. Both mean the same thing. There is no difference. Both mean the same thing. There is no difference. Have got is more commonly used in British English to indicate the possession of objects, characteristics, or relationships. Got is the verb get in the present perfect. Got is the verb get in the present perfect. Example, I have got an iPhone. I have got an iPhone. I have an iPhone. I have an iPhone. So both mean the same thing. I've got a headache. I've got a headache. I have a headache. I have a headache. Kevin has got 3 cousins. Kevin has got 3 cousins. Kevin has 3 cousins. Kevin has 3 cousins. She's got long hair. She's got long hair. She has long hair. She has long hair. He has got some friends in Berlin. He has some friends in Berlin. He has got some friends in Berlin. He has some friends in Berlin. In the end, for negative questions and sentences, there are therefore 3 possible forms. Example, have you got any money? I haven't got any money. Have you got any money? I haven't got any money. Do you have any money? I don't have any money. Do you have any money? I don't have any money. Have you any money? Not really used. Have you any money? Not really used. I haven't any money. I haven't any money. Not really used. Has she got a pen? Has she got a pen? She hasn't got a pen. She hasn't got a pen. Does she have a pen? Does she have a pen? She doesn't have a pen. She doesn't have a pen. Has she a pen? Has she a pen? Not really used. She hasn't a pen. She hasn't a pen. Not really used. Number 2. In the preterite or simple past. Pronouns, affirmative sentence, negative sentence, questions add do or does. Pronouns I, he, she, it, we, you, they. Affirmative sentence, I had a new car. I had a new car. Negative sentence, I did not have a new car or I didn't have a new car. Questions are do or does. Did I have a new car? Did I have a new car? The contracted form. Have has always the same form when it's used at the preterite. Had without got. The contracted form is used only for have as an auxiliary. You cannot say I'd a new car, but I had a new car. I had, contracted form, I'd. So we join these 2 words and we replace apostrophe to the letters that we omitted. I had, I'd. You had, you'd. He / she / it had becomes he'd, she'd, it'd. We had becomes we'd. You had becomes you'd. They had becomes they'd. The negative contraction had not becomes hadn't. Questioning and negative forms, we use did and didn't. In the preterite, have is conjugated like ordinary verbs with the auxiliary did. What did you have for lunch today? What did you have for lunch today? I didn't have time to watch TV yesterday. I didn't have time to watch TV yesterday. Did you have a car when you were living in Japan? Did you have a car when you were living in Japan? Be careful not to use got in the past. Be careful not to use got in the past. Example, Tina had long hair when she was a child. Tina had long hair when she was a child. Not Tina had got. Not Tina had got. Have as an auxiliary. Have is used as an auxiliary verb in the so-called perfect tenses. It must be conjugated according to the time you want to use. Here is a quick overview of the tenses that use have as an auxiliary verb. Present perfect. I have seen this film twice. I have seen this film twice. Present perfect continuous. They have been waiting for over an hour. They have been waiting for over an hour. Past perfect. The meeting had already started by the time I arrived. The meeting had already started by the time I arrived. Past perfect continuous. Past perfect continuous. They had been talking for over an hour before Kevin arrived. They had been talking for over an hour before Kevin arrived. Future perfect. Future perfect. She will have finished before 9 o'clock. She will have finished before 9 o'clock. Future perfect continuous. Future perfect continuous. Next year, I will have been working here for 2 years. Next year, I will have been working here for 2 years. As an auxiliary, have places itself in front of the subject in an interrogative form. Example, have you ever used a smartphone? Have you ever used a smartphone? In the negative form, it is followed by not. There is a contracted form. Example, has not becomes hasn't. Has not becomes hasn't. Have not becomes haven't. Have not contracted form, haven't. Example, have you seen him? Have you seen him? No, I haven't seen him. No, I haven't seen him. The different uses of have. Have can mean different things. Have breakfast, / lunch, / a pizza. Have a drink, have a cup of coffee. Have dinner, have dinner. Have a bath, have a bath, / a shower. Have a walk, have a walk. Have a good time, have a good time. Have a dream, have a dream. Have a holiday, have a holiday. Have a rest, have a rest. Have a break, have a break. Have a party, have a party. Have a look, have a look. Have a nice day, have a nice day. Have a try, have a try. Have a chat, have a conversation, or have a discussion. Have a fight, have an argument. Some examples. Samantha is having a bath at the moment. Samantha is having a bath at the moment. We're going to have a party next Saturday. We're going to have a party next Saturday. She usually has breakfast at 8 o'clock. She usually has breakfast at 8 o'clock. The modal verb have to. The modal verb have to. Have to express the obligation or that something is necessary. Examples: I have to get up early tomorrow. I have to get up early tomorrow. Do we have to leave now? Do we have to leave now? You have to go and see her. You have to go and see her. I have to wash my car today. I have to wash my car today. He has to write a report. He has to write a report. I had to go to the bank yesterday. I had to go to the bank yesterday. When used in negative form, have to means that something is not necessary or mandatory. Examples: we don't have to work tomorrow. We don't have to work tomorrow. He doesn't have to work in the evening. He doesn't have to work in the evening. I didn't have to make my bed when I was living with my parents. I didn't have to make my bed when I was living with my parents. Combining have and had. Combining have and had. Have had is the perfect present tense of the verb to have. Have had is the perfect present tense of the verb to have. Examples: I have had a lot of homework this week. I have had a lot of homework this week. Have you had your breakfast? Have you had your breakfast? I haven't had any rest since morning. I haven't had any rest since morning. So, this video ends here about how to use the verb to have in English. Thanks for watching.